If you're encountering a TikTok error, video contains copyrighted content, here are some ways to fix the error. Remove the copyrighted content from your video. This could mean removing the copyrighted audio, video clips, or images from your video. You can also use royalty-free music and stock footage in your videos. Get permission from the copyright holder to use the copyrighted content in your video. You can contact the copyright holder directly or use a service like Song Clearance to get permission. Edit your video to comply with TikTok's community guidelines. TikTok's community guidelines prohibit the posting of videos that contain copyrighted content without permission. You can edit your video to remove the copyrighted content or to comply with the community guidelines. Appeal the error to TikTok. If you believe that your video was incorrectly flagged for containing copyrighted content, you can appeal the error to TikTok. To do this, go to your video's Insights page and tap the Appeal button. If you are unable to fix the error, you may need to delete your video and upload a new one. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting the "video contains copyrighted content" error. Only use copyrighted content in your videos if you have permission from the copyright holder. Be careful when using music and sound effects in your videos. Make sure that you are using royalty-free music and sound effects or that you have permission from the copyright holder to use them. Be careful when using video clips and images in your videos. Make sure that you are using stock footage or that you have permission from the copyright holder to use them. Read and follow TikTok's community guidelines. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.